Hey there, Forzagen. I see you on Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Now, I came across your product listing, the Forzagen protein powder, and I wanted to take a closer look. But first, congrats on your 4.5 star rating. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. Now, my name is Kim. I'm a business development representative from my Amazon guy, and I'd love to share a few ideas that your team can explore for the improvement of your sales in Amazon. In this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So, first, let's talk about traffic. Now, what really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Now, using our tool and looking at your distribution, I can see that you are organically indexing for 1,400 keywords and you are supporting that with over 600 paid keywords. Now, this can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing for here. We usually recommend a golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. Now, you can also check out this word cloud here below. These are the most important keywords for your listing. We can share this keyword expert for free if you will book a call with us today. Now, going down here below, this is your highest search keywords in your own category. So, good job bidding on this keyword, mass gainer, with around 62,000 searches you're bidding. You're currently at 2. That's good job. Now, however, for this other keyword, which is the protein powder with 1 million searches, you are not indexing here at all. So, what this means is that you are not being seen here at all. So this is a missed opportunity for you. Now imagine the increase in sales if customers can actually find you using this keyword phrase right over here. Now we can definitely help you with your keywords here. We can also help you push the rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. So just in the top 50 listing for the keyword phrase protein powder, as you can see, there is a total revenue of $144 million, and top sellers are averaging around $2.6 million per month. Now, I can see that you are not really getting your fair share over here. There's still plenty of market share that you can definitely tap into. And we can help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Now, we also reviewed one of your top competitors here, which is the Premier Protein Powder. Now, just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly. There are differences in price and positioning. What we're going to be reviewing here is their keyword strategy. Now, as you can see, they've sold over 85,000 units and have generated $2.7 million in sales. Now, the difference comes down to their visibility. Now, looking at their visibility here, as you can see, for their distribution, they are organically indexing for 9,500 keywords, and they are supporting that with over 1,800 keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome for their product. And as you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. So let's check here. The title and the bullet points are the best areas for indexing here. You have to work on your title and bullet points here. For your title, you're currently at 111. You could do up to 150. For your bullet points, you only have one. You could add up to five with 200 to 500 characters per bullet point. Now, don't forget also to update it regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. Now, moving on to your image tag. Okay, you have your infographic and demographic images. That's good. For this, you could add 6 images plus one video to boost your visibility and credibility with Amazon. Now, let's go down here below to your A plus content, as this could be the deciding factors if buyers will choose your product. And yeah, I can see that you don't really have an A plus content here. So let me show you what a good example of an A plus content is. So this is the Age of Sage. This is a product of our founder, Stephen Pope. And as you can see, they use large eye-catching images over here. They also added some clickable links to help engage with the customers over here. And they also added a little bit of a video over here to catch their attention. Now, you could also take advantage of adding a brand story over here for your brand story. This one will help you with your brand awareness. Now, you could just include how you got started, what makes your product unique, and why you love what you're doing. Now, doing all this will help get your listing get more visibility with Amazon's algorithm. And those are just a few things that I could share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video. You'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. And My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.